Hello, all. Welcome to chapter 13 from the book of Deuteronomy. In the beginning of this chapter, we see Moses warns against any prophet who makes a prophecy and the prophecy comes true, and also prophets performing signs and wonders. If such a prophet instructs the people to follow other gods, then this prophet was to be put to death. God would use such tests to see if the Israelites would love the Lord God with all of their heart. We then see Moses instructs if any close relative entices an Israelite to worship any other pagan god, then such had to be stoned to death. This capital punishment was to be an example so that all of Israel would be afraid to worship pagan gods. As we see, Moses is leading the Israelites into a theocracy. The Israelites are now in a system where there is no police or prison. Such harsh capital punishments were to serve as a deterrent for all of the Israelites. Coming back to this chapter, we then see Moses warns about the troublemakers in the promised land who will be trying to lead entire cities into pagan worship. In such a case, all the people of the city with its livestock were to be put to death. However, only after a thorough probe and investigation. The city had to be burnt down and never to be rebuilt again. Nothing that was set apart for destruction was to be kept, or God would show no mercy and compassion to the culprits. Towards the end of this chapter, we again see Moses appeals to the Israelites to keep and follow God's commandments. This is how the chapter ends. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Until next time, may God bless us all. Bye bye.